everyone, I am Pallavi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to suggest you 5 non-fiction books to read for beginners. Now, these are the few books that I have personally read as a beginner and I found them really useful. Many of my friends tell me that reading non-fiction book is such a task that they don't enjoy really reading them. They can read till some point and after that they cannot enjoy reading the non-fiction books. So I thought of making this video for you all guys. So the problem is that non-fiction books are not boring or they are not that pakau, but what I want to tell you is that maybe you have chosen wrong books to read. Maybe the books that don't interest you, you have chosen those books. So in this video I'll be suggesting you 5 such non-fiction books which you will enjoy reading, which will maintain your interest while reading the books. So let's get started. So the first non-fiction book that I'm going to suggest you all guys to read is Ikigai by Hector Garcia and Francis Miralles. Now Ikigai means finding a reason for your life, like finding the purpose of your life. I have made separate review video of this book. I'll link it down in the description box. You can check it out later after watching this video. So this book is all about how you can find your Ikigai in your life. Like it basically introduces you to the idea of Ikigai. Like what are you living your life like today and how can you make best out of it. So authors have mentioned the Japanese philosophy or the Japanese culture, whatever they adapt and how they live there happily. So this book is a very short book and you can complete it in 2 days. You will not get bored while reading this book, I guarantee you. So this is one of my first recommendation for you guys to read non-fiction. The second book that I will recommend you guys to read is Who Will Cry When You Die by Robin Sharma. Now I have made review of this video as well on my channel. You can check it out for more detailed idea of this book. This book is really very short book which has 101 chapters which are of just 1 page or 2 page at max. While reading these chapters you will not feel bored because practically author has tried to explain all those things to readers. So this is the must read. You should definitely check out this book. The third non-fiction book that I'm going to recommend you guys is Sapiens, A Brief History of Humankind by Yuval Noah Harari. I've made separate review video of this book as well. Currently I don't have that book because I had borrowed that book from one of my friends. I gave her that book, so I cannot show you. The size is really very huge of the book. You will require much of time and space to read this book, but actually Sapiens is really very interesting read for those who love reading non-fiction and for those who don't even love to read. I think this is the best book to read because this book actually tells you about the facts of sapiens, like how Homo sapiens were, and basically the author compares Homo sapiens life to today's world life. So if you are interested in finding the origins of humankind, then you should definitely check out this book. It's a mixture of all genres. You will definitely love this book and you will not feel bored while reading this book, I guarantee you. The fourth non-fiction book that I'm going to really suggest you should definitely read it is Think Like a Monk by Jay Shetty. Now last week only I completed reading this book and from last 15 to 20 days I was reading this book. This is of 300 pages and I just want to say you this is one of the personal development type of book. After reading this book, like while reading this book you will completely get to know who you are and what you had been doing all these days. So I will suggest you, if you really want to know about yourself, if you want to know about your thought patterns and how you are living your life, so to make your life better you need this book. And yes, I highly recommend. From these 5 books that I'm suggesting, do give it a try. It's really very practical type of book. There are no hard and fast rules in these books, and yes, you will love reading it. The fifth and last non-fiction book that I'm going to recommend you guys is an autobiography, Wings of Fire by APJ Abdul Kalam. This is one of the first autobiography of any personality that I have ever read. I have read this autobiography during my school days, and I found this book and it is one of my favorites. Like, after reading this book in my school days, I only had that vision that I want to become a scientist like APJ Abdul Kalam sir, and I want to serve for nation. That was the type of thoughts that I used to have. But yes, this is definitely a very good read. After reading this book, you will come to know, even if you achieve success of any heights, how you can keep your feet on ground. So Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was one such personality I really admire, because he was so humble. After getting so much of success, after getting so much of praise, even then he was so much down to earth person. I really look forward towards his listening to his speeches. I really love listening to them. And yes, this book is a must try. You will definitely love reading this book. So these are the 5 non-fiction books that I definitely recommend you guys to read. Do read them. You will really love reading them. Your conception of non-fiction books will definitely change. You will love reading non-fiction books for sure. Do let me know which non-fiction book you are reading recently, or any of the books which you have read. We will discuss about it in comment section. Do let me know. And if you love today's video, if you like this video, then definitely give it a thumbs up. It always means a lot. And if you have not subscribed this channel till now, definitely subscribe my channel. I'll see you in the next video very soon. Bye bye.